How to fix Instagram app not updating to latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix Instagram app not updating to the latest version. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to clear cache and restart app. Long press Instagram app and select app info. Now tap storage uses and then tap on clear cache. Now restart the app and check if the issue is resolved. If not, you need to uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Long press Instagram app, tap on uninstall icon and then tap on confirm. Then proceed by tapping Play Store and then tap on search icon and you can tap on the search bar and type in Instagram and you can easily install it by tapping install button. So reinstalling Instagram will reset app preferences and may fix the update issues. Now you can manually update Instagram as well. Open Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS and you can search for Instagram and check for update. If an update is available, tap update and wait for the process to complete. Now you need to restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then switch towards restart and check if the problem is fixed. So trying this step should help you update Instagram successfully. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.